Let's try this one, the Sprunki style.
The what now?
I agree, but I wonder. Wait, why do I sound like... Oh, right.
William sounds like Mary.
It's because we share the same voice actor!
Anyhow, let's try this one. Lucha por la Sprunki.
Lucha por what?
Okay, I'm sorry. Let's try the Funster style.
Huh? Not bad. Yeah, I'll get to that in a minute. Anyway, let's try Pyramixed. Wait, is this the art style where black... Okay, I'm sorry. Let me try it again. Wait, is this the art style where Colossus and I don't share a voice actor? What about Sprunksters?
Cool! Brad, if you don't stop this at once, I'll... Wait a second. Next one! Sprunki, also known as Sprunki and Maddie's art style. Cool!
Ah, that's it!
Mr. Black? Where is everyone?
Oh, I don't know. I suppose you'd like to join them.
Why are you smiling at me like that?
You wanna know why? Because you're joining them.
Huh? You were this close!